Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. This is amazing. So it's a 2026 Grand Design Mav, well, 28 Mav. I'll get inside here in a moment, but this is really a very cool setup. So I'm at Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used service and parts. And here you can see the Mav back door. Let's get inside. I could go in that door there, but I don't want to. I want to take my time. We have two external speakers I wanted to point out. So we have a master bedroom. As we walk up, we have storage above. We have cabinets for hang-up clothes on both left and right. We also have a nice drawer. And let me see here. Storage below, very nice storage below. I'll close that down. And sorry for jostling the camera. So we also have a HVAC unit inside the master bedroom. And as I bet, well, I didn't show you, not that you'd want it, but you could have a TV here on the wall. I'm gonna control the camera so I don't show you the goodness yet. Very nice set of cabinets, corner sink, 3-burner cooktop with a microwave below. That's a pretty cool setup personally. We have a freezer and a refrigerator. I'm keeping my back to the goodness here. We have a U-shaped dining table, and there you can see the cushions behind it. We also have the theater seating, and as I turn around, we have a fireplace, TV backer board, and when you look at that, you think, oh, wow, what's behind that? Well, behind door number 1, guys, is additional storage. And now for the thing I've been wanting to show you, check this out. There is the rear door. So if you have bicycles, ATV, canoe, kayaks, you can slide them in. This is really cool. We have D-rings here, as you see on the floor, and we've got additional D-rings there. And then, let me see if I can control the bed here. So you can see I can raise and lower it. So that is such a cool setup if you ask me. So you have the tracks here. And if you have a side-by, I don't know if a side-by-side would fit in there, but you definitely get a four-wheeler in there or a couple of mini bikes, bicycles. Really a cool setup. We have speakers in the ceiling like all Mavs do. And we have exhaust fan. And then we have a nice sized bathroom with a corner vanity, a window, nice shower, and a toilet setup. So really a cool setup. Again, we're at Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. And it's a 2026 Grand Design Mav 28 Mav. So let's roast our chestnuts and warm our hands and catch you on the next video.